हेलो गाइस, आई एम कमलेश गुप्ता सर एक बार फिर से आपके लिए NIACL असिस्टेंट रिवीजन टिप्स एंड स्ट्रेटजी के ऊपर सिलेबस क्वेश्चंस डिफिकल्टी के ऊपर बताने जा रहे हैं। तो इस क्वांटिटी एप्टीट्यूड स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वांटिटी एप्टीट्यूड से। दिस सेक्शन कंसिस्ट of 35 questions. Each questions 1 mark. Following are topics which you need cover. Score good in this exam. Data interpretation DI 10 questions and number series 5 questions. Simplification approximation 5 से 10 question minimum. Quadratic equation 5 question. Miscellaneous questions 10 question. These are approximate numbers of questions that may be asked from different topics in the NICL assessment pre-listening. Reasoning Michaelensis Salinaceous questions include topic percentage, profit loss, average ratio and proportion, time and work, time and distance, trend, mixer and allegation, partnership, simple interest and compound interest, problem on ages, votes and streams, mensuration, probability, etc. Next topic is reasoning ability. This section also consists of 35 questions each 1 mark. Following in are the topic which you need cover. Score good in this exam. Mention syllogism 5 questions to coding decoding 3 to 5 questions. Inequalities 5 questions. Puzzles 5 to 10. Seating arrangement 5 to 10. Alphabet series 5 questions. Direction 2 to 3 questions. And order and ranking 1 1 या 2 questions. Blood relation 2 या 3 questions. And next topic इंग्लिश में जानेंगे. This section consists of 30 questions which vary every questions each of 1 mark. Following are the topics which you need to cover. Score is good examination. Reading comparison of 10 questions. Spotting errors 5 to 10, 5 or 10 questions. Fill in the blanks 5 questions. Close test 5 questions. Para jumbles 5 questions. Sentence improvement 5 questions. And revision for NICL Assistant 2017 daily wise. Learn all the spotting errors rules. Every topic like tenses, article, propositions will be learned. Sentences forming in sentence structure. Learning by help during. And second is solve the thought. Reading comparison. Revise concept in 2 topics. Your choice in English. Next 3 days solve table DI and bar graph DI of different types. Practice questions of quadratic equations. Practice puzzles and sheets and seating arrangement. Next solve the mock test 1 hour duration with full dedications. For the solve pie chart and missing DI new patterns. Also solve different questions in of important topic like percentage, SI and CI, profit and loss and average. Having a good hand these topic will help you in the NDI part as well as in miscellaneous part. In English, solve previous year papers of English and maximum numbers spotting errors questions. 5 days. English for English solve exercise of sentence corrections, parajumble, spotting error, and fill in the blanks. Solve reading comparison. In reading, prepare logical reasoning concept and give your time. Solve puzzle and sitting arrangement as fast as possible. Solve on Solve one mock test, duration 1 hour. Dedicate this day. Practice DI miscellaneous miscellaneous questions or any other topic of your choice in which needed practice. Revise all time formula topics of trips, quantity aptitudes. Revise all basic concept important tricks in reasoning. Revise grammar rules, vocabulary prepared by you. Solve sectional tests of different topics, quant, reasoning, and ability individually. NIACL Assistant Test Series Free Math Combo Pack. थैंक यू। आईसी ब्लॉगर एजुकेशन की तरफ से NIACL नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट NIACL के सिलेबस के लिए धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।